Encrypted channel with files attached. Don't recognize it.
Patch it through the lab.
Since we're telling stories, there's something I haven't told you.
You work for Torchwood?
I swear to you, it's different. It's changed. There's only a half dozen of us
Everything
now.
Torchwood did, and you're part of it.
The old regime was destroyed at Canary Wharf. I rebuilt it. I changed it. And when I did that, I did it for you in your honor.
If I haven't returned to my desk by 2200, this file will be emailed to Torchwood. Which means if you're watching this, then I'm... Anyway, the Saxon files are attached. But take a look at the Archangel document. That's when it all started, when Harry Saxon became minister in charge of launching the Archangel network.
What's the Archangel network?
I've got Archangel. Everyone's got it.
It's a mobile phone network, because look, it's gone worldwide. They've got 15 satellites in orbit. Even the other networks, they're all carried by Archangel.
It's in the phones. Oh, I said he was a hypnotist. Wait. Hold on. There it is. That rhythm, it's everywhere. Ticking away in the subconscious.
What is it? Mind control?
No. Subtler than that. Any stronger people would question it, but contained in that rhythm, in layers of code, vote Saxon. Believe in me. Whispering to the world. Ah, yes! That's how he hid himself from me, because I should have sent him on another time order on Earth. I should have known way back, but the signal cancelled him out.
Any way you can stop?
Not from down here. But now we know how he's doing it.
And we can fight back.
Oh, yes! Three TARDIS keys, 3 pieces of the TARDIS, all with low-level perception properties, because the TARDIS is designed to blend in. Well, sort of. But now, the Archangel network's got a second low-level signal. Well, the key to the network and... Martha, look at me. You can see me, yes?
Yep.
What about now?
No, yeah. It's like, I know you're there, but I don't want to know.
Back again. See? Just shift your perception a tiny little bit. Doesn't make us invisible, just unnoticed. Oh, I know what it's like. It's like when you fancy someone and they don't even know you exist. That's what it's like. Come on!
You too, huh?
Don't run. Don't shout. Just keep your voice down. Draw attention to yourself and the spell is broken. Just keep to the shadows.
Like ghosts.
Yeah, that's what we are. Ghosts.